What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to create email templates using Gmail. So let's get it started. So first you need to go to Google Chrome extension store and search Gmail template and click this Gmail templates by Cloud HQ and add it as your extension. So after you add it, so it will redirect me to Gmail. So it will show you a little bit of tutorial. Just click that, just next. Or if you want, you can read it. So of course, it will require you, this extension will require you to create an account. So you can create an account by using your Google email. Yes. So after creating an account, you can see you can now use it to make email template. So you can just compose a message, choose a recipient, and then below to the right side of send, you can click this icon right here and you can browse any templates. So as you can see, a bunch of templates will show up in different categories. So you can choose anything you want. But since this is an email campaign subject, we need to use marketing. So it's better, no? So choose marketing and it will show you a bunch of templates perfect for marketing. So let's just choose one. So we would choose this. So and that's it. You can now customize this email template if you want. You can change its title. You can change the color too based on your chosen theme. If you want to add image, just click image. If you want to add text, just click text. And if you want to add an attachment, just click attachment. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.